Good morning, students. Today in this class we discuss about expression for the intensity of electric field on equatorial line of electric dipole. First we take electric dipole. Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges separated by a distance 2a. So this is the charge minus q and this is the charge plus q. These two are separated by some distance, that is 2a. So this is the distance 2a. Let this is midpoint of the dipole, that is O. The distance between negative charge and O is A, and the distance between positive charge and O is also A. Equatorial line means the perpendicular line passing from the midpoint of the dipole is called equatorial line. So this is equatorial line. So the perpendicular line passing from the midpoint of the dipole is called equatorial line. On this equatorial line, we take a point P at a distance small r from the midpoint. Okay, we take a point P on the equatorial line at a distance small r from the midpoint. Now, the distance between negative charge and point P is the distance between negative charge and point P. Actually, this is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So, this hypotenuse is equal to root of side square plus side square. So, r square plus a square. Here also the distance between point P and positive charge. This is also right angle triangle. So here also we get the same value, that is square root of side square plus side square, r square plus a square. So these are the corresponding distances from the point P to negative charge and positive charge. Now we determine electric field at the point P due to positive charge and also the electric field at point P due to negative charge. The electric field due to plus Q charge. So E plus Q is equal to formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by distance square. This is distance r square plus a square, distance square. That square, this root cancelled. Finally, we get r square plus a square. Similarly, we determine the electric field due to negative charge. E minus Q is equal to same 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by distance square. That square root, this root cancelled. Here also we get r square plus a square. These are the electric fields due to positive charge and negative charge. Okay. The electric field is radially outwards from the positive charge. So electric field is actually vector quantity, that's why it has some direction. The direction is, the electric field is radially outwards from the positive charge and electric field is radially inwards from the negative charge. So this is E plus Q, and electric field due to negative charge is radially inwards. So this is E minus Q. So for our convenience, we resolve this E plus Q into two components. We get vertical component and horizontal component. The vertical component is E plus Q sin theta. The horizontal component is E plus Q cos theta. Here also we resolve this E minus Q into two components. We get vertical component and horizontal component. So the vertical component is E minus Q sin theta. Horizontal component is, in this direction we get horizontal component, that is E minus Q cos theta. So like that we get horizontal and vertical components. Here E plus Q sin theta and E minus Q sin theta both are equal and in opposite directions, because E plus Q and E minus Q both are equal. So E plus Q sin theta and E minus Q sin theta both are equal and opposite to each other. That's why they cancel with each other. E plus Q cos theta, E minus Q cos theta are in the same direction. So to get the net electric field, we add these two components. Why? Because these two are in the same direction. So when we add these two components, we get net electric field. So the net electric field is equal to formula E plus Q cos theta plus E minus Q cos theta. We substitute the values of E plus Q and E minus Q in this value. So E is equal to, what is the value of E plus Q? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square cos theta plus E minus Q, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square into cos theta. These two terms are same. That's why we get 2, 1 plus 1, we get 2, like that 2 into this term. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square plus A square cos theta. Now from the diagram we determine the value of cos theta. Let some angle is subtended here, and here also some angle is subtended. So from that diagram we determine the value of cos theta. From diagram cos theta is equal to, what is the value of, what is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means A by hypotenuse means root of R square plus A square. We substitute this value in this formula. So E is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square plus a square into cos theta value a by root of r square plus a square. Now we rearrange this value. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2a into q. 2a into q. 2a into q by, this is r square plus a square whole to the power of 1. This is r square plus a square whole to the power of half. 1 plus half, 3 by 2. So r square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2. But what is 2aq? 2aq is dipole moment. So E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2aq is dipole moment, that is represented by P by r square plus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2. If r is very much greater than a, if r is very much greater than a, then a can be neglected. If r is very much greater than a, then a can be neglected. A can be neglected. Then finally we get E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by a square can be neglected. Then we get r square whole to the power of 3 by 2. R square, E square, that square cancelled. Then we get r cube. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by r cube. That is the net electric field. Now we determine the direction. Here the direction of electric field is in this direction. But the dipole moment is always acting from negative charge to the positive charge. So this is the direction of the dipole moment. But this is the direction of the electric field. These two are in opposite directions. That's why we keep minus sign here. That minus sign represents opposite direction between electric field and dipole moment. So this is the final value of the electric field on equatorial line of the electric dipole. That is E is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by r cube.